So we are recording right now. The frontal part of this handpiece is for introducing into the vagina, and about 1.5 centimeter from the end of this handpiece there is half round metal plate that allows us to have contact with vaginal mucoses and allows us to deliver the energy of plasma, of direct current plasmatic field into the vagina, into the half round of vagina. So this is the first applicator. Then device comes with the second applicator. This is a G applicator wave. This is a highly or very focused applicator for introducing into the vagina. At the end of this applicator, of this wave-shaped applicator, is metal 1 centimeter square metal point that creates again contact with vagina and creates possibility to deliver the plasmatic field into the vagina. But instead of G applicator 30, this one, G applicator wave, is not for treatment of all vagina, but allows us to focus in exact point in vagina in exact situations. And at the end, we have last one applicator that is flat one applicator, and this flat applicator is for handpiece that we use in outer part of female genitalia, and for rejuvenation of labia minora or majora at the opening of vulvar part. And all these three handpiece we use together with direct current. For us in medicine, it's very easy to understand how the electric field works, because all of us, we are familiar with devices that use coagulation. And as well, one of our devices that is called Jet Plasma Lift Medical is as well the ablative or device for coagulation, but it works in the same principle. That's why I'm going to explain you principle of direct current in something that we know very well in medicine, in coagulation, and then I will postpone to second part to explain you how works direct current in non-ablative device for rejuvenation in jet plasma for her number 2. Basically, direct current is a very easy technology because the device is a capacitor or is generator of a direct current, and polarization of device is that the tip of the device is negative and the basis of device or electrode that we need to contact with patient's skin is positive. Thanks to this, the delivering of electric field is from the tip to the skin and through the skin to the electrode. In devices that uses a direct current in ablative or coagulation way, the thing is very easy. In the point where plasmatic discharge connects the skin, and this point is creating high energy, high temperature, and this creates coagulation. With this usage of electric field in medicine, we are almost all familiar because we use it in operation theater for coagulation, for example. And this is something we understand well. We know this picture. If you connect the skin with a high temperature plasmatic arc or a high temperature plasmatic discharge, you create coagulation. And for this purpose, we use our device for example, for removing warts, removing verrucas, and so on. And we decided to use the same technology or the same principle of technology in non-ablative way. And this is used in our jet plasma for HER2 for gynecological use. So the basic principle is the same. Device has a tip or head that is negative. Proper device is generator of electric field, and contact electrode with skin or with mucosis with the patient is positive. Because with direct current, the flow of electric energy is always the same from negative part to positive part. So from the head through the body to the electrode. But instead of usage ablative way where we use high temperature, we put between the tip, between the hand piece of the device and the skin, or in this point it is mucosis, because we are actually in jet plasma for her, mainly we are inside of vagina, so we are in connection with mucosis. Between the head of device, between the active plate or active metal part and the mucosis, we put contact water-based gel. And this is something that allows us to use direct current, to use plasmatic field in absolutely different way, because if we use it in non-contact way, we create coagulation, and this coagulation we use in some circumstances. But if we put contact gel between the tip and the mucosis, it allows us to deliver electric energy in a direct current way, in one flow of electric energy into the body, but it allows us to skip the ablation part of activity. So once we turn on the device, the plasmatic discharges goes through the contact gel into the body. But contact gel, because it is water-based, it allows us or it gives us high conductivity, but as well it gives us very good thermal isolation. So increasing of temperature is much lower, and how we use this increasing of temperature I will explain you quite later. But this time I would like to explain you that instead of usage of plasmatic discharge in non-contact way, as on left side on picture, where plasmatic discharge in air creates high temperature and creates coagulation, in the same principle of technology, if we put between the head and the mucosis, if we put contact gel, this contact gel allows us deliver flow of electric energy. As you can see by arrows, the electric energy flows into the body and through the body, into the mucosis and through mucosis, but contact gel absorbs, or any water layer absorbs parts of heating up. So heating is lower, but there's still effect of flowing of electric energy. And now it's question, what is the effect of flowing of electric energy? And I ask Gina to I will stop sharing my presentation and to play video. I'm going to comment it. This video is going to be about how device is usage in vaginal rejuvenation, how it is